Hi, let's move to the day 11 video, that is 8th November 2024. Please take a pause and read these disclaimers and don't make any financial decision without any knowledge or anybody else advices, including me. And please read the most common mistakes that will make you not to lose any money. And this is the trading setup which we are following for this series, and you may know that uh, all are like we are defined set of rules and for this series, and we are following that in that yesterday and today we in this for the second day we are not in the scope, like it's not in the range actually. So it's because it's in the lower end of the range currently, and it's not there is no sign of moving up in the Nifty. So it's a consolidating, like maybe Monday it will go higher, I think, because but currently if Nifty also now it's showing around 80 point minus, but let's see what will happen in the Monday. And because of that only the range is very maximum loss is more, so we will try to adjust this portion and try to reduce the minimum maximum loss, because if we lost 30% of our capital, that is our 30,000 rupees, then we are failed. It means like we failed this series, so we should not take a higher risk. So we will try to avoid this and by adjusting the position on Monday, most probably, and realized profit which till now how much we booked, and unrealized profit how much is there, still it's there. And these are the rules which we are following it, like risk taking a low, and we don't make more adjustment in per day. And these are the day wise what is happening. We are daily we are checking that, and whenever the Nifty moves plus and minus, it's keep on going. Like one day and all I this P it one position alone it gave like 21,000 positive. Then like it's like daily it will keep on moving only. So but our aim is taking minimum risk and trying to get the uh, some average profit, like not like great or something, just small profit, like few percentage of our capital. And today what happened, let's see. We have the same position and there is no change I made today, because last 2 days already it's uh, moved violently, and we didn't know where it is going to be going. So like either in I'm as I said in previous video, like in 1 or 2 weeks either it will break in or break out 24,000 or 25,000. So so we need to be prepare for that. How we are going to prepare? We need to minimize the maximum loss. So that we will do it on Monday, by because in the lower end currently around 300 point difference we have. So um, that's the reason our uh, maximum loss amount is very much too much. So we will try to reduce this range so that we can reduce the maximum loss, and we can go to the next month also. Otherwise in this series only we will lose it in this month only. So we don't want to do that, like. And what you can ask me, what is this gold base, and with what is the amount we received it from the booked the profit. So those amount we invested in gold base, and today around 1% it went up. And this 1250 I had to buy uh, um, buy, because currently I bought it for only this, like 11,200 rupees. So only I bought it for that particular amount only, 11,200 rupees. So I had to buy invest 1,250. and I already raised the pledge request, so it's around 20% haircut, so we will get around 8,000 something we will get, and that can also be used in trading in the future sessions. And with respect to delta, theta, gamma and vega, and you can see the values how it is going up. And if VIX goes up, then we will lose every 1% minus 431, and theta value is 94. If even though daily time decay, we are getting 94 rupees daily. And gamma, you can see it's went a little bit up. And as I said, the Nifty is in like consolidating here. It should go at least few hundred points above, but there is no sign of buying. It's in a heavy selling pressure. Let's see where it will go, but it should go at least few 24,600, 700 once at least, and then only it will go. But it's not like it should go. Anything can happen, so we need to prepare. In Monday we will see, otherwise we will adjust the position just to make sure we are not losing any money capital. So that's the aim. Let's see. uh, I will give next update on Monday.